In the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, faceless niches are emerging as lucrative opportunities for creators looking to thrive in 2025. Among these niches, one of the most promising is the realm of educational content, where creators can share knowledge without revealing their identity. Another lucrative faceless niche is the realm of guided meditation and relaxation, where soothing voices can lead listeners to tranquility. Exploring the world of top 10 lists and countdowns also proves to be a fruitful niche, captivating audiences with intriguing facts and visuals. Gaming commentary channels, where creators provide insights and reactions without showing their faces, continue to attract massive audiences and revenue. Additionally, the realm of mystery and storytelling channels thrives by captivating viewers with engaging narratives while maintaining anonymity. Health and wellness channels focused on tips, recipes, and fitness routines are also gaining traction, providing value without the need for personal visibility. Lastly, the latest trends in technology reviews and gadget unboxings offer faceless creators a chance to share valuable insights while showcasing the products themselves. But before we get into the niches, I want you to take a look at a channel named Wise Quotes. Wise Quotes curates profound insights and wisdom from various thinkers, philosophers, and leaders. Each quote is accompanied by stunning visuals that resonate with the message, making them more impactful. The channel not only highlights the words, but also brings them to life through engaging animations and storytelling elements. Regular uploads ensure that followers receive a steady stream of wisdom, prompting daily reflection and inspiration. The community around Wise Quotes fosters discussion and encourages viewers to share their interpretations of the wisdom presented. This interactive element transforms passive viewing into an enriching experience, allowing individuals to connect on a deeper level. Ultimately, Wise Quotes serves as a reminder that the wisdom of the past can guide our present and shape our future. As you explore the channel, you'll discover that each quote carries a unique story, inviting you to ponder its relevance in your life. Additionally, the thoughtful selection of quotes encourages viewers to venture beyond their comfort zones and embrace new perspectives. Now, this faceless channel has achieved an impressive milestone with over 173,000 subscribers and garnered 1 million views in the last month. With their revenue reaching $1,800 in the last month, it's clear that there is potential for substantial earnings, even within faceless channels. In comparison, another faceless channel named AI Uncovered has been making waves with its unique content and strategies. AI Uncovered not only attracts a dedicated audience, but also engages viewers with cutting-edge topics and insightful analysis. The channel's innovative approach results in impressive viewer retention, keeping audiences glued to their screens for longer periods. Moreover, their content consistently garners a wide range of interactions as viewers actively comment and share their thoughts. This active engagement translates into a loyal community, which further amplifies the channel's reach and potential for monetization. As AI Uncovered continues to grow, it sets a benchmark for how faceless channels can leverage informative content to maximize their impact. Now, as you can see, this channel has over 177,000 subscribers, reflecting a growing community of engaged viewers. In addition, this channel accumulated an impressive 670,000 views in just the last 30 days, highlighting its rising popularity. Such engagement indicates that the content resonates well with the audience, fostering a loyal following. Moreover, consistent uploads and quality content are key factors contributing to this channel's success. Community engagement through comments and interactions also plays a vital role in maintaining viewer interest and loyalty. Finally, strategic collaborations and promotions can further amplify visibility and attract new subscribers to the channel. In conclusion, the combination of engaging content, audience interaction, and strategic growth tactics sets the foundation for ongoing success. As this channel continues to evolve, it remains crucial to adapt to audience preferences and emerging trends in the digital landscape. Embracing feedback and being open to change can lead to fresh content ideas that keep viewers engaged. But if we talk about the revenue, this channel made $3,500 last month. That is almost 2 times more revenue than the previous channel. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more details on how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital content, faceless YouTube channels are becoming increasingly popular. These channels allow creators to maintain anonymity while still connecting with their audience. With creative storytelling and engaging visuals, anyone can build a successful channel without showing their face. The key lies in identifying a niche that resonates with viewers while employing unique production techniques. Additionally, it's essential to focus on high-quality content and consistent upload schedules to grow your audience. Engagement with your audience through comments and social media can further enhance your channel's reach and loyalty. Finally, analyzing your channel's performance metrics will help you refine your strategy and improve future videos. By staying adaptable and innovative, you can navigate the challenges of the YouTube landscape and thrive as a faceless creator. As you embark on this journey, remember that persistence and passion are your greatest allies.